This is part 5 of the D1 plus M15 Forex Strategy series. If you've been following from part 1 to part 4, you now understand how to identify D1 direction, how to wait for MIS on M15, how to place pending orders, how to avoid emotional entries. But today, we're talking about something even more important, because even the best strategy will fail if your risk management is weak. In part 5, I'm going to show you how to protect your capital, manage trades like a professional, and turn this strategy into a long-term wealth system. Here's the truth. Most traders don't blow accounts because of bad entries. They blow accounts because they risk too much. They move stop losses. They over-leverage. They increase lot sizes emotionally. A good strategy with bad risk is still a losing system. So today, we fix that. With this D1 plus M15 strategy, you only need one clean trade per day. That means you don't need aggressive risk. Professional traders risk 1% per trade, sometimes even 0.5%. Why? Because consistency beats excitement. If you lose 1%, you live to trade tomorrow. If you risk 10%, one mistake destroys your confidence. Your stop loss is not random. For bullish setup, SL goes below the MIS low structure. For bearish setup, SL goes above the MIS high structure. Not emotional distance, not hope distance, structure-based. That's what makes this strategy logical, not emotional. Now here's where most traders mess up. They close early. Remember what we discussed in earlier parts? Patience looks like doing nothing. Your TP should align with higher time frame structure, D1 expansion target, previous highs or lows. Let the math work. If your risk is 1R, aim for 2R or 3R. That's how accounts grow. Do not rush to break even. Wait for clean structure continuation, a new higher low for buys, a new lower high for sells. Once structure confirms continuation, then you protect capital, not before. Your daily workflow should be simple. 1. Check D1 direction. 2. Wait for M15 MIS 3. Place pending order. 4. Set SL and TP logically. 5. Walk away. No overthinking, no staring at candles. Trade like a business owner, not a gambler. This strategy is not about making fast money. It's about compounding monthly, protecting capital, staying emotionally stable, trading for years, not weeks. If you follow this for 6 months, your mindset alone will transform. The real edge of this D1 plus M15 system is not entry timing. It's structure plus patience plus risk control. Most traders want a secret indicator, but the real secret is discipline. This is part 5 of the D1 plus M15 Forex Strategy series. If you've watched from part 1 until now, you now have a complete framework. Direction, structure, entry, patience, risk management. Now it's on you. Apply it consistently. In the description, I've shared the tools and resources that help me identify structure and direction faster. Study them, practice them, respect your capital. If this helped you, like the video, share with another trader. Subscribe for part 6, because we're building traders, not gamblers.